My name's McClintock. I'm the president at Trekline Motorsports here in Paramount, California. We started in 2015 selling automotive parts, lifting and lowering kits for the aftermarket truck industry.
When I first started working here about 5 years ago, we didn't have any system. We basically did everything by hand, but as we grew and had more people, it became harder to do.
When I was looking for an inventory management software, I looked at a lot of different companies before I decided to work with Sellercloud. Sellercloud had kind of everything we were looking for and actually a lot more. We have added on the Skustack feature, as well as recently we added the Skublox, which we're utilizing in the pick-to-light fashion. So that allows us to pick our inventory as we're walking around the warehouse, which has been a huge game changer for us.
We have to scan the item and then scan the bin that it's going into. So it's like a double confirmation that we grab that's helped eliminate pretty much all the mistakes in that regard.
And then we moved to Mamela for our customer service. That has given all of our customers just more of an appreciation of how quickly we can get those messages responded to. The service that I've received from Sellercloud has been fantastic. Anytime we've had any sort of issues, I email them and I typically get a response same day.
With comparison to where we were before, it's a night and day difference. We've definitely upped our efficiency.
If you're currently looking for any sort of inventory management system that integrates with all of your current e-commerce platforms, I would highly recommend Sellercloud. It has been absolutely great for us.